Lora Cheadle, age 51, fully recovered attorney and life choreographer. I help women create the kind of life that they want instead of the life that they think they're supposed to have, so they can find the joy and the satisfaction that they're craving. 2020 has us all in a state of fight, flight, or freeze. And if you want to close out 2020 strong, you really need to get out of your head and into your beautiful body. So you can quit thinking and stressing and just start being and feeling. In order to do that, you need to just stop, cross the midline, and touch your arms, your legs, your torso, or even your face with different kinds of pressure, scratches, deep pressure, tickles, and just feel what it feels like to feel. My challenge for you is to spend about a minute a day just touching and feeling what it feels like to be in your body.